In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to install the premium version of our Strong Testimonials plugin. Let's get started. First, you need to purchase the plugin. To do so, you need to go to our pricing list. Purchase the desired plan by clicking on the Buy Now button and complete the purchase. After you completed your purchase, you need to go to your account. Click on the Login button. Navigate to Download section. You will see a list of your plugins, their version, the changelog, and downloadable files. Click on the Download button next to the Strong Testimonials Pro plugin. After you clicked on it, a zip file will be downloaded to your computer. After this, you need to head over to your WordPress dashboard. Go to the Plugins section. Click on the Add New Plugin button. Click on Upload Plugin. Click on Choose File. Choose the plugin file you downloaded. Click on Install Now. Now all you need to do is click on Activate Plugin. That's it. The premium version is installed and activated on your dashboard.